Good morning. Time check is, what time na ba? Wait lang. 6:45 na ng umaga. Kakagising ko lang. Actually, nagising ako guys dahil sa ubo at hindi ko alam kung kailan ito matatapos. Alam mo yung naiipon siya dito tapos in the middle of the night, doon siya talaga sasama ang pakiramdam mo. The daytime, you're good, and then in the evening, yun, magsisimulang sasama yung pakiramdam mo. Yeah, it's my 3 days now, staying at home. Nasa bahay lang ako. Gawa nung nagkalagnat ako and you have to be 1 day fever free. Kaya hanggang ngayon nasa bahay ako. Kagabi wala na akong lagnat, thank God. Pero yung ubo ko, natutulog ako, alam mo yon, upo. Kaya, yeah, open natin to. Mandam ang panahon ngayon, guys. Maghihilamos lang tayo. Tapos, we're gonna have some breakfast. So guys, we make some breakfast. I think I'm gonna have coffee. Ayan yung cooked egg with mayonnaise. Gumawa ako kahapon. Konti na lang siya. And I have some butter. Yep, this is my favorite butter. There you go. Antayin na natin yung ating bread na mag-pop up. For lunch, guys, meron na akong, what you call this? Pork mechado. Nagluto ako kahapon ng pork mechado. Kasi sabi ko, I have to make it para nag-crave ako kahapon ng pork mechado. So, gumawa na ako ng pork mechado. Toasted na siya. Yung aming toaster, bread toaster, kailangan talagang patayan kasi ang bilis niyang mag-toast ng bread. Konti na lang ito, hindi siya ganun karami, pero I love egg, guys. I have egg allergy, but yeah, that's life. Konti na lang. My husband don't like much mayonnaise, or he don't really like mayonnaise, so ako lang yung ekta mayonnaise. Sarap niya, guys. I got this from Icanera. I think Ika Supermarket or Ika Maxi also have this one. This is so good, as in, so good. To do today, guys, I need to relax, stay at home and feel better. I think I'm going out for a walk today. So, pamakalanghap naman ako ng fresh air. So, ayan. Okay naman yung weather dito. Nakikita ko na, umaalsa na yung araw. Kaya, that's a good thing. Para makapag-walk tayo kahit papano. I'm staying at home. Yesterday, I had fever, pero nung nagising ako, wala na. That's good. I still have so much pain in the throat. And then, coughing in the middle of the night. And, chilling. So, yeah. I hope that we get better until the weekend, so on Monday we can go back to work. Yes, that's it for today, guys. Have a good Friday, everybody. Have a blessed weekend and take care. Bye.